Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to terminate your Zoom account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for zoom.us. And after you've done that, just go ahead and sign in your account. And now you want to click on settings here at the left side of your screen. You need to click on your account management here at the admin section. Okay, here, account management. And then here you want to click on account profile. And now you can see here, there's a button that says terminate my account. So just go ahead and click terminate my account. And then you just need to type your password and click continue. And now your account is now terminated. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.